Will quit if proven guilty. Maharashtra minister on viral video of him playing game in assembly. Maharashtra Agriculture Minister Manichrao Kakate has once again found himself at the center of a controversy, but despite growing questions, the Nationalist Congress Party (NCP) seems unlikely to seek his resignation anytime soon. Reliable sources have told NEWS 18 that Kakate will stay in his post for now, even as his string of controversial statements and actions continue to stir the political waters. The fresh row erupted after a video showing Kakate allegedly playing cards on his mobile phone during an assembly session went viral. Critics quickly demanded action, saying it was disrespectful to the House. However, Kakate has strongly defended himself, claiming the viral clip is misleading. Addressing reporters at his hometown Nashik, Kakate explained that he needed to access information from his OSD while inside the house. Since his OSD could not enter the assembly, he had asked for a mobile phone. According to Kakate, when he opened the phone, an online game popped up automatically, and he struggled to close it. The phone was new for me. I didn't know how to skip it immediately. The video you saw is just 11 seconds long. It doesn't show me closing the game. If the full video was shown, people would know the truth, he argued. Kakate further said he would write to the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and Assembly Speaker demanding a detailed probe. If the inquiry finds that I was indeed playing an online game inside the House, I will not wait even a minute. I will resign and hand over my resignation directly to the governor, Kakate declared, adding that he welcomes a fair investigation. Swipe left for next video. Sources informed this reporter that Kakate is likely to meet Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar at the Mantralaya later today to discuss the matter. He is also expected to attend Agriculture Department hearings afterward. Despite the row, the NCP leadership appears in no hurry to sack him, with some leaders even questioning whether forcing a resignation over a mobile video is justified in this digital age when everyone is glued to their phones. For now, all eyes are on Ajit Pawar and whether he will tighten the leash on Kakate, whose repeated controversies have become a political headache for the party. Latest blogs.